paddleboard. Forget the raccoon. Okay, Cooper and I don't put up with raccoons. We take a look at our tropical depression number 2, and yes, no surprises this morning, expected to move west and away from the first coast. So that's my Monday motivation. Yes, we're going to be A-OK when it comes to the track, not looking for huge impacts like the northern Gulf Coast. So we're watching our friends toward New Orleans, where we could have a tropical storm making a move toward Louisiana as we head into later tomorrow and tomorrow night. And notice by then we're talking Tropical Storm Bertha. In fact, by later this afternoon, likely a tropical storm. Right now, moving just northwest at 3, and that slow movement over the warm Gulf is going to really continue to help intensify this system, unfortunately. So you can see how the isobars become tighter packed. We got the showers and storms wrapping around the center of circulation, and that's why we are expecting a tropical storm as it moves to the west. And already we're talking about tropical storm watches for the panhandle of Florida, and they'll likely be extended farther west. You look at the latest in-house model here. This is Wednesday evening, and boy, this is things really wound up. So if it stays over water, yeah, we may still have a hurricane, so something to watch there. We take a look at our names. Yeah, we're talking about Bertha next on the list here, and what it means for us is we'll be in the very outer fringes of the system. We'll still have some big impacts this afternoon, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Like we saw yesterday, a nasty feeder band coming through in the afternoon, but today could be a little more intense. Let's take a look. Well, we got tropical downpours, damaging winds. We're streaming with your most accurate forecast. So we start the showers and storms, it looks like by lunchtime. If you're in Stark, areas like Lake City, watching to the south and west of Jacksonville, here's that outer band, and watch how it pivots up and around. This is actually feeding into that developing storm, right? And you can see the showers and storms really starting to fill in across Duval, Metro Jacksonville by 2 o'clock. So much earlier today on that rain. Even the beach is getting in on some of the heavy rain. So if you missed the rain out toward Jack's Beach, up toward Fernandina, Brunswick, you're going to see that line of showers and storms move your way by 4 p.m. and it could include some wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour like we saw yesterday, with some more severe thunderstorm warnings. And areas of Georgia that missed most of the rain yesterday, you got plenty of that around by 5 o'clock from Folkestone to Brunswick. So for today, quiet start, but you see this big area of rain here. This is going to start to fill in with banding effects across Florida in our area. So notice our weather impact alert. Highest chances of rain as we head into the afternoon, especially between 2 and 6 o'clock. High temperatures before the rain, hot enough. Low to mid 90s with that weather impact alert and very high chances of rain. Once Bertha continues to move away from the first coast, and that'll continue as we head into the rest of the week, we'll lower the rain chances. But we still have a round of storms tomorrow. We'll lower that to 40% though on the rain chances, and notice how we start to heat up. 95. We could have a heat advisory by Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the mid to upper 90s, and don't count on any cooling showers and storms. Rainy season wakes back up by late week into the weekend with some better chances of rain and highs closer to normal.
So